Šiandieną visiems skauda.
Man nieks neskauda.
Aha. Tai gal čia ibuprofenas šneka.
Tai dėl to aš ir išgeriau. Dabar nieks neskauda. Ne, ibuprofenas susitinkai. Piškai, pirmas tasai, kad atsistojimas tasai. Suprantu.
Labai gražus kaimas. Visas namas gražus. Ja. Dainuok toliau.
Kas?
Dainuok toliau.
Nu, skubėkim gyventi.
Welcome back to the Portuguese trail series. Today we walked about 27 kilometers from La Bruges to Rates. At first, we were planning to stop at Vilarinho, but ended up walking farther.
Nu ką, antra diena, rytas. Eina du piligrimai. Vis dėlto eiti kaimeliais yra daug gražiau ir mes dėl to pakeitėm nuomonę. Ir aišku, tai padėjo pakeisti mums jinai nuomonę. Todėl, kad jinai žada sukti į šitą pusę, nes jai paprasčiausiai čia bus trumpesnis kelias. Jei neužtenka dienų. Na va, mūsų aukštos sienos, siauros gatvės, mašinos varo, bet čia yra fainiau vis tiek. Gerai. Šiaip mums biški kojas skauda, bet nėra blogai, mes mažai mėgojam paprasčiausiai. Ieva pečiai pavargę. Nu, mes daug nebeįsim šiandieną. Tik dar kelius kilometrus sustosim, man atrodo, Larinho. Man atrodo. Oi, mašina parvažiavo. Beveik daėjom iki Vilarinho. Gražus pavargau biškį.
Since we turned onto the central trail at such a weird point, we had to step away from the arrows for a bit. In case you don't know, each trail has arrows painted on various objects such as poles and rocks to guide you along the way. We didn't see them for half of this day and had to use Google Maps. Because of this, my mom and my brother argued a couple of times about where we were going, but made it onto the central trail eventually and found the arrows once again.
Ieva užsisakė bandyk arklių pervežimą kuprinės.
Aš einu į priekį.
Jo, nusisamdė siliuką ir kesas varšas, siliukas neša 2 kuprinės. Nu va, išeina vienas. Kiek tu mokėsi, broliai, į kojines trintėm šiandien?
So my brother is carrying my backpack right now. My legs were really hurting. And we were gonna stop at a different hostel, but our friend Natalia, she ended up catching up to us. And we ate together, drank wine. I didn't, but they drank. And she said she was going farther, so we decided to come with her. So it's only like 11 more kilometers, and Gaslis said he would carry my backpack, so yeah. Natalia's somewhere back there. It's so beautiful here. Oh. Wow.
On this day, I didn't take any images or videos of the albergue that we stayed at, but I do have a story. At the albergue, we met two German girls, Charlotte and Linu. At least that's how we pronounced it. But we all went out to eat dinner together, and our curfew was 9 p.m. My brother went home first and texted my mom at 8:58 around, like, where are you guys? You're gonna get locked out. She and I, plus the German girls, ran back to the albergue right on time, but Natalia stayed back to talk to the restaurant owner, and she got locked out, so Charlotte had to go open the door for her. It's a good memory. Guys, I can't even explain how much I miss this. Making these videos kind of helps me to relive all the amazing things I experienced, but can't fully fill the void in my heart. God, I'm so dramatic, but I feel like it's addictive. Like, once you walk one Camino, you just can't stop thinking about it. Dude, I want to go back so bad. I think about it at least once a day. This is not funny. Oh my God.
Oh. Petango.
By the way, the oranges were so good. Like, what? Those were the best oranges and the best orange juice I've ever had. Oranges aren't even my favorite fruit, but those were just so good. Like, oh my God.
You have so much orange drink.
That's okay. Make drink juice.
Yeah.
In the morning, squeeze.
These nice people gave us oranges.
Real.
Not that they spray chemicals, make it look like
Kaip čia gražu.
it's a good day.
Yeah, it is. We're lucky to catch you.
Yeah.
We're lucky to be here.
Because in Lithuania, I'd be able.
Okay, yes.
Not over here,
Yeah, let's go.
Well, that concludes episode 2 of the Portuguese Trail series. And I hope you come back for part 3. I hope you guys enjoy watching these videos as much as I enjoy making them. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.